welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, hi, welcome back. If you are new here, remember to hit the subscribe button so you can watch all of my videos and stay tuned for more. And today's video is super special because it is the first video of Makeup Monday, which is something that I want to start doing both on my YouTube and Instagram and like TikTok and basically on all of my social medias. I want to post a new look every single Monday because I feel like it's going to really drive me to create more content and also to play with more makeup, which I haven't had time to do in a really long time. So I'm very excited and I really want to push myself to do different looks. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into our first Makeup Monday. This Makeup Monday is going to be a pink look with lots of gems. I'm going to be doing like a half circle, wrapping it around in gems, putting gems all over my faces. So I'm very excited. Let's get into it and yeah. Okay guys, so I brought you in a little bit closer and so far all that I've done is just my foundation, concealer, and a little bit of contouring and blush. And I think the first thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and do the outline of the shape that I want with a little bit of concealer, and then I'm gonna pack the shade in so that it's not too messy. And of course, you know your girl is going to be using her e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I just love that concealer so much. Like ever since I did my full face of e.l.f. Cosmetics makeup, I have been using this concealer non-stop. Like my other Maybelline one, I barely use it. I usually only use it if I can't find this one. But this one, it's good. All right. Let's do it. So basically what I'm going to draw is like half of a circle around the eye. I'm going to try to make them as even as possible on both eyes, but you guys know that I'm not very good at drawing. But anyways, let's give it a go. Okay guys, so I drew in the shape with some concealer. You can't really see it because my concealer is kind of the same shade as my eyelids. But anyways, I'm going to use, of course, my favorite Trendy in Tokyo palette. And I'm just going to get a packing brush like this one right here. And I'm going to go in with I'm going to start with Blossom in the inner corner and then start working my way down to darker pinks. So that's what we're going to try to do. Oh, before I do that, let me actually put a little bit of setting powder under my eyes just in case I get a little bit of fallout out. So let's do that first. Okay guys, so I put a little bit of setting powder on my under eyes just because I've already concealed and I don't want, in case there's any fallout, for it to get all over my face. Now I'm going to go in with Blossom and start packing it in the inner corner. I really like this palette because honestly, like, it's pretty affordable and I've always had a really good experience with it. So if you are looking for a colorful palette to start off, I would definitely recommend this one because it's like, again, it's affordable, it works, it does what it needs to do. I feel like personally it's never let me down and I'm very happy with it. Okay guys, so I've added on Blossom into the inner corner and I kind of want to do like a gradient effect. So I'm gonna go in with, let me see, I think I'm gonna go in with Anime and then Emoji last, or maybe, actually, you know what, I'm gonna go with Emoji and then Mount Fiji last. So we're gonna do that. So guys, the semester has officially started and I'm not very excited for it. I've already had like a bad encounter with a professor. Like, he gave me a 0 because I did one part of a 6-part assignment wrong, and all I did was that I didn't cite one source. Like, come on dude, like, it's the start of the semester, you're gonna give me a whole 0 for that? I mean, mind you, the assignment itself is worth 1 point, so he just, I mean, I don't know what he's going through. He's kind of the worst, but he's also really nice. Like, he's very passive aggressive. He literally was like, Thaimy, beautiful start to this assignment. Unfortunately, I'm giving you a 0 because you did not cite the source. Best wishes. Like, I don't want your best wishes. Just give me the point. I'm sorry, guys. This is so... I was not happy with it. Okay, this is kind of coming together. It's kind of doing something. I feel like from the camera you can't really tell, but there's a little bit of a gradient going on. And I'm not too worried about the outside because I'm gonna outline it with rhinestones. So if it's not perfect, like if a little bit of color gets out of the line, that's okay, because once we go in with our rhinestones, it's gonna be snatched. So I just packed on a little bit of the darker color, and I'm actually going to use the color switch from Lavish to take off the other pink and then add in the darkest pink. I got this from my BoxyCharm, and honestly I never realized how much I needed this until I started using it, because it's so helpful. Like I like using the same brushes because I just feel more comfortable with them, and I just feel like it's so helpful when you're doing a look with lots of other colors. So definitely worth it. Let's move on to the last color. Ooh. Okay, well, I really like how this came out. I'm not even gonna lie to you, and we haven't even put the little gems on, but so far, I know it looks messy in the camera, but let's put on the gems and see what's gonna happen. Okay guys, so these are the gems that I got. They are from Michaels. They're the All That Bling, and they are basically just a few light and dark pink gems, and what I'm gonna do is put them around my eye. I'm gonna start off with the darker ones, move up to the light, like the medium shade, and then the darker shade, because that's basically what I did with my eye look. And I'm gonna go all around the eye. I think I'm gonna probably stop right here and not put anything here. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. Let's give it a whirl. So what I like to do for the gems is that I like to get a little eyebrow plucker and just pick them up with that, because I find it should just be easier. Like, sis, I cannot with these nails start grabbing these, like it's just not gonna be the tea. So let's use some tweezers and let's get it together. So I'm gonna start off with, again, the lighter shade, and I just grab them like this basically, and that's it. This is gonna take a minute. This is gonna take a minute. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. That is looking cute. Oh. That is looking so cute. Wow. Oh man, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll zoom in later once I'm done. Wow. I love it.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so I have officially finished putting my lashes on. I feel like they look really, really cute, super wispy. I feel like this look came out really, really pretty with just like the concentration in the eye. I did use this NYX Professional. I'm gonna say the whole freaking what's wrong with me? I'm not gonna say the whole brand name. I used this NYX retractable pink liner on my waterline, and I think it really helped my makeup pop. I think all I'm missing right now is some highlighter and my lips. And of course, for highlighter, what do you think we're gonna use? Like, what's the only thing that I use? Becca Champagne Pop. I don't know why I'm like so basic like this, but I just really, really like this highlighter. I feel like it does the tea for, like, it does it for me. Like, it's just so pretty. I don't know why. I'm obsessed. I didn't put blush on. I gotta put blush on right now. But first, let's finish highlighting. Okay, let me put blush on. I'm gonna be using the Ciat London blush, which I am a really big fan of. I use it all the time. I can't believe I forgot to put on blush. You guys know how much I love blush. Blush is like my favorite thing to put on. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna be using, I started and then I remembered that I'm filming a video. So for lips, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner. This is the darkest shade that they have. I've been obsessed with these lip liners ever since I got the kit. If you have not gotten the kit, I definitely recommend. And I'm just gonna put a clear gloss on top of this. And we're done. This is the final look. I'm obsessed with it. I think it looks so pretty, and like I feel like I need to go to like a club or something. Like it's just, I can't stop staring myself in the monitor. I'm so sorry guys. Anyways, I'm obsessed with it. I think it just looks so freaking cute and fun, and I'm so happy I did this. I'm so excited for Makeup Mondays. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to post every single Monday. If not on my YouTube, I'm gonna try to post on my Instagram. And I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope it inspires you to do something like this. This is so much fun, and I will see you guys for my next video. Bye guys.